What's up, everyone? Here I got this 2019 Lamborghini Urus. Customer dropped it off to us and wanted to upgrade his sound system, so we took care of that for him. Inside you got the red leather, looking great. We also installed the K40 radar system, which has 2 Optix diffusers in front. And we also installed the expert remote, custom mounted right there in the trim. As I take you around back, show you what we did for the audio. Here in the back, we built this custom sub box. It's a floating sub box with LED lights underneath. Inside you have 4 JL 10-inch subwoofers. Laser etched Lamborghini logo. If you notice, the surrounding on the sub box mimics the front grille on the Lamborghini Urus. To power those, under this compartment here, we mounted 3 JL VXi amplifiers. Thank you guys for watching.